In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your computer's performance using Norton Utilities Ultimate. This process is quick and effective, and in just a few minutes, you'll be maximizing your PC's efficiency. Firstly, make sure you have Norton Utilities Ultimate installed on your computer. If not, visit the official Norton website to download and install it. Now, once everything is set up, open the Norton app. This utility suite is designed to help you get the best out of your system by optimizing its performance. As you launch the app, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface tailored for seamless navigation. Next, look for the section labeled Performance in the app. Clicking on this option reveals various tools Norton Utilities offers to enhance your system's speed and responsiveness. Here, we're focusing on optimizing your disk. This is a crucial step as it reorganizes your hard drive to run more efficiently. Think of it like tidying up your room, where every item is in its rightful place, making it easier to find and reducing clutter. After selecting the Performance section, find and click on Optimize Disk. This tool analyzes your hard drive to identify and rectify any fragmentation. Disk fragmentation tends to happen over time as files are saved, moved, or deleted on your computer, leading to slower performance. Imagine your hard drive as a library and files as books. Fragmentation scatters them around, making retrieval slower. Optimized Disk rearranges these files, ensuring they're neatly organized, so your computer doesn't have to work as hard to access them. Begin the optimization by following the on-screen instructions. The process might take some time, depending on the size and condition of your hard drive. So don't worry if it's not instantaneous. While your disk is being optimized, you can step away and let Norton Utilities Ultimate work its magic. Once the optimization process is complete, you should notice a significant improvement in your system's speed. Tasks should execute quicker. Programs will load faster, and the overall experience will feel smoother. Regularly optimizing your disk can maintain consistent performance, so consider making this part of your routine maintenance. Remember, keeping your computer running at its best involves more than just software. Ensure your device is free from dust, and consider managing startup programs for quicker boot times. With Norton Utilities Ultimate and a bit of proactive care, you can extend the life of your hardware while enjoying enhanced speed and efficiency. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to boost your computer's performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your digital life.